I got a lot of great kale at the farmer's market the other day, and I'm going to make kale burgers. Starting with 1 cup of finely chopped cooked kale, 1/3 cup of ground walnuts, 2 tablespoons of unbleached flour, 1/2 cup of cooked brown rice, and this is organic rice, 1 egg beaten, a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of powdered garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Now everything gets blended really well, forming the patties. Into the broiler. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes under the broiler, and now I'm just flipping these patties over into the broiler again. I'm setting the timer now for 10 minutes. How about a little drizzle of ranch dressing? Great burger, great textures with the rice, the walnuts. I have a recipe in here in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook for kasha. Another great recipe for a sinless burger. Not a lot of grease. Most of the recipes in this book are like that. They're delicious, but they're healthy as well. You can buy this book anywhere. Got kale? Give this one a try.